Hello traders, before we get into the video today, I just wanted to make a little quick edit to the start of the video because this video is actually sponsored by Audacity Capital. They are not forcing me to say anything that I don't want to say. They just wanted to work together, and I think they're an amazing firm doing amazing things. It's something that we want to kind of aspire to. So yeah, hope you enjoy the video. Drop in the comments below if you agree with my listing. And I hope you have an amazing day and enjoy the video. And by the end of this video, you're going to have a tier list of my personal favorite prop firms from best, which is the S at the top, down to the worst, which is the F. Along the bottom, you'll be able to see all of the prop firms. Obviously, these are not all the prop firms, but these are the most popular ones that I feel should be kind of in this list in terms of new prop firms that most people will have an understanding of. Let's get into it. Now, I did make one of these previously in terms of recently, but it wasn't as detailed as this in terms of the amount of prop firms, and I feel like there are a few more that I wanted to include, and also I've added a few more levels in here so that we can see exactly where everyone fits, because I feel like in the previous one there was a few ones that overlapped a little bit where I wasn't sure which one to put. I'll go from left to right. I'm probably going to say this wrong. We got Boy Trade, which I think is an FTMO white label. I'm not 100% sure, but I think it is. That's what I've been told. With next, if it isn't, then let me know in the comments below. Next, we got the 5%ers, Audacity Capital, City Traders Imperium, Fiddlecrest. I'm probably saying that one wrong as well. FTMO, Funding Talent, Top Step Trader, Smb Capital, my Forex funds, and then of course TradeHappy. Now TradeHappy is obviously ours, so it is going to be biased, but it's not going to be at the top. There's two that I genuinely think are better than TradeHappy right now, and the goal for TradeHappy is to be alongside them. I think that because we're very, very new, we are limited in some of those things that we can do. So the first one that I'm going to put up is Smb Capital. I think these are a top firm. And if you actually want to be a real trader, you know, they're one of the best. Next one up there is Audacity Capital. These two I would put very, very similar. Obviously they do trade different things, so it is a personal preference in terms of which one you would go for, but both of these, in my opinion, are the best firms. I'd put TradeHappy at an A. Now obviously that is 100% bias because it's, you know, our company, but we are trying to get up with Smb Capital in terms of that style, and then Audacity Capital as well. Yeah, now if you disagree or agree with me in any terms, you know, put it in the comments below. Again, this is my opinion. Okay, I'll say that again. This is my opinion. This is not a fact. I'm not saying this firm is bad, this firm is good. In my opinion, this is where I am ranking them. Okay, I'll say it again. This is my opinion. Okay, in the last video, we didn't have the smartest of people, and I think they took offense to some of the rankings that I put. So, you know, if you're here again, then, you know, this is my opinion. This is not a fact. Next one up is 5%ers. For now, I'll put them at a C. Now that could change, but for now I'm going to put them at a C, because I think they are a really, really good firm, doing some good stuff, and I like how much capital they give to traders. Next one we will do is going to be Funding Talent. I'm going to put Funding Talent at an F. Now there's a few reasons why. Some of the reasons I can't really talk about on a video. there's people that I know that have traded with them and not had a very good experience. So that is the reason why they're down there. Yeah, it's basically through friends that have had not very good experiences with them. Now, again, I am not saying they are a bad company. I am saying, from my opinion, this is where I would put them. FTMO, very, very similar. I'm going to put them in an E. Now, I haven't had anyone that's had bad experience with FTMO, but in my opinion, they're not a prop firm in terms of what I would class as a prop firm. Yeah, obviously they give money to traders, but it's not, from my own opinion, I don't like how they are giving traders capital. So that's why I'm going to put them down here. And because they're apparently a white label of FTMO, going to put them next to FTMO. My Forex funds I'll put there as well. Just get those three done nice and quick. My Forex funds, I don't know too much about them, to be honest with you. But from their website, I'm not really a fan of their prices, and yeah, I think they're a little bit too expensive for what you get. City Traders I'll put there because they're very, very similar to 5%ers, but I actually think 5%ers is a little bit better than City Traders. Top Step I'll put there as well, just because I feel like Top Step, maybe even a little bit, I don't know. I haven't had personal experience. I have been interviewed by them, and they seem, you know, really. Actually, I'll put them a little bit higher. I think that they're a good firm, and from when I spoke to them, they really do seem like they are a professional firm, and they're professional traders, from what they were kind of telling me. So I think that they are a very, very good firm, but they're in the futures game. I think they might have just gone into Forex, but I think they're mainly futures. And I don't trade too much of futures, so I can't give that kind of opinion on it. But from an outside view and speaking to them on a phone call, they do seem good. And then I'll put them Fiddlecrest right there. The reason I haven't put them higher is just because I think that the other firms are better than them. It's not that I think that they're bad. I just think that there's better offers out there. But I do think that they're better than the ones below. So that is my list. If you agree with me, put it in the comments below. Let me know what you think. But yeah, I think the only one that, you know, is biased is obviously TradeHappy. And I think that could, you know, be anywhere in the middle at the moment. The reason it's up here is just because it's obviously ours. And we are trying to get closer and closer to that traditional prop firm, whilst bringing some of the better aspects of the other prop firms as well. So yeah, any questions, any queries, put it in the comments below. Let me know what you think. I hope you have an amazing day trading, and remember traders, trade happy.